Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl KDG. In today's video we will be doing a little restocking. But before we get into that video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend to come join the family, because as I always say, why not? Anyways, yesterday I went to the Caribbean store and I decided to pick up a little bit of knickknacks, because as a Jamaican girly, we have to have our Jamaican essential in our household. So I stopped, I got a few little things because I don't be going to the Caribbean store that quite often. I go when it is necessary, and yesterday was one of those days. I got a little bit of juice, etc., and we just gonna be restocking that fridge, and I decided that I'm gonna be doing it with you all. Yeah, let's go restock this refrigerator. So I got some callaloo from the Caribbean store. They did have the one that's not cut. But baby, if I one thing I know me hate for from a long time is to cut up callaloo. So I bought this pre-cut one, and we just have to go wash it off, etc., and make it work, because I hate the callaloo that is in the can. So we got some pre-cut callaloos. Actually got two bags. Okay. Last time I went to Sam's, I got some of these for the kids, and they didn't really like it. But I be drinking it because it only has 35 calories in it. The sugar level is only 6 grams, and here. So I got like a keys on the last couple that's remaining. So I'm gonna move them from in here, since we don't really have a lot. I'm gonna move them and put them in the door, since it's not a lot.
Somebody ought to come along and let you down, so you could see my side and how it feels to hit the ground. How can you say that nothing's different, that we should pick up the pieces?
Bought these when I was pregnant. I don't know why I still have them. They're not expired. They don't expire until 2025, March of 2025. So we go leave them in there. Maybe somebody might just come by. You know, they be breastfeeding and they need to up on their milk supply. I could give it to them. So we're not going to throw them away just yet, because they're still good.
Get it? If you still wanted to be loved, you should have never let me go. Somebody said it should be easy.
Let's see when this is. Why me can't even tell
We all
you
make
it's July.
mistakes and no one lives without sin. Why'd you have to break my heart? I wasn't ready to let you go yet. Now you're standing at my door, thinking that I'm gonna let you in. But if you wanted to be loved, you should have never let me go. Hope somebody will break your heart, so you could feel this pain and know what it's like to be left out in the cold, standing by yourself, no one to hold. If you still wanted to be loved, you should have never let me go. If you still wanted to be loved, you should have never let me go. But if you wanted to be loved, you should have never let me go. Hope somebody will break your heart, so you could feel my pain and know what it's like to be left out in the cold, standing by yourself, no one to hold. If you still wanted to be loved, you should have never let me go. You should have never let me go. I look at you make me blind. Do you have to be so beautiful all the time? I know I can't be with you. It's killing me to see you with someone else. What to do? Now I'm in the corner and watching you smile, watching you smile. And I can't get over you, I'm losing my mind. All of the things that I wish I could tell you, every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. And if I only could be there to hold you, it feels like I stop breathing when you're around. I'm in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. So many times I wanted to put my arms around you just to be close to you. And in my head, it's just you and I don't know why I feel this way. Now I'm in the corner and watching you smile, watching you smile. Now I can't get over you, I'm losing my mind. All of the things that I wish I could tell you, every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. And if I only could be there to hold you, it feels like I stop breathing when you're around. I'm in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. I wish you were mine. I wish you were mine. 'Cause every time you pass me by, I fall in love. I fall in love. All of the things that I wish I could tell you, every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. And if I only could be there to hold you, it feels like I stop breathing when you're around. I'm in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. Ooh, there's something about you, I wish you were mine. Somebody ought to come along and let you down, so you could see my side and how it feels to hit the ground. How can you say that nothing's different, that we should pick up the pieces? Somebody ought to come along and let you down. If you're still wanting to be loved, you
My
should have
baby
never let
actually
me go.
loves the grapefruit
Somebody
tea.
will break your heart.
Listen, the child feel like if I buy like a case in one for drink it. So whenever normally I'll get the case, but because we never really got a store for that, I just got 6 for him. But not necessarily only for him, but so that they could share between them. Because he be thinking everything is his alone and like, you gotta learn to share.
Why'd you have to break my heart? I wasn't ready to let you go yet. Now you're standing at my door, thinking that I'm gonna let it's like to be left out in the cold, standing by yourself, no one to hold. If you still want it,
Like literally frozen at the back of the fridge. It's like rock ice. No, this is a Malta. If you know, you know. This is a Malta.
you should never let me go.
And when I went to the Caribbean store, they only had 5, so best believe me take all 5 of them. Me take all 5 of them. I don't know if they did have any one at the back, but when I saw on the shelf, I took it because it was only 5. Now I do love the Vitamol as well, but if they got the original Jamaican Malta, baby, they'll go get it. So as I said, I got 5. And I did get some ginger there. That's beer. So we got some lemon there. I feel like how do I put some of this way down? So I just have to get my beard out like we don't have like 2 speakers, we're going to put some for later, so we got some space already.